Good morning, guys. It's Nick from Prestige External Cleaning. I'm back after a long hiatus. I've had a nice break over Christmas. Haven't done much filming, as any of you regular viewers will know. I haven't been on for a while, but yeah, I'm back today, and I am on a commercial job for Addenbrookes Hospital in Cambridge. You have to start quite early on these jobs. That's what they require, because they want you to be done and gone as quickly as possible, because obviously you're just going to get in the way of people coming in and out of the hospital. So yeah, that's what they want. Okay, as you can see, it's quite dark. I hope you can see me quite well. I've already come across a problem. I'm cleaning the paving outside of Outpatients. Lots of chewing gum, quite grimy. The main thing I think is the chewing gum. But I've got here, there's two exits and entrances. They can be used for either. One side, one the other, and I'll show you in a sec. And I've got here, and one of them's out of order. So, because obviously the plan was to keep people moving and not obstruct people, was to block off one so they could use the other, clean that section outside, and then vice versa, do the same on the other side. But I've got here, and the one of the doors is closed down, out of order. So I can't do one of the other sections. So I'm going to have to do the section where it's shut down and come back another day for that. The problem is that with these, and a lot of the guys, any of you guys who do commercial work will know, especially if you've done hospitals, is the RAMs, risk assessments, method statements are very, very strict, and everything has to be done by the book, which quite rightly so. But it just means that I'm going to have to rearrange everything, I have to have a hot works permit because I'm using the boiler. Yeah, so it's not ideal, but we have to adapt and work as we can. So anyway, look, enough talking by me. I'm going to show you the job. I know it's dark, so I'm hoping it's going to be light before I actually start, because I've got to get set up, and then I can give you an idea of what everything looks like. Because obviously if it's all dark, then you can't see how dirty it is. It's not especially dirty, it's more to do with the gum, but there's a little garden area to the side as well, with, I think it's travertine paving. It's lovely. It's looking pretty dark and horrible, so that should come up lovely. So anyway, enough talk, let's go and have a look. Okay, so that's the first entrance. Look at that, you can see, I hope you can see, look, it's block paving, lots of gum everywhere. It's just, I mean, what's that, maybe 5 or 6 square metres, it's nothing. But it's the pain of having to come back and get everything arranged just to do that little section. Anyway, we carry on as best we can. Here's the other section, much bigger here. Only a little bit of gum around there. Disgusting. Gum removal's not my favourite. The smell, sometimes it splashes back in your face, it's horrible. But so there's the block paving section. I want me to do the top of the walls as well here. They're pretty rank. Okay, so this is the Outpatients garden. God, I don't think you're going to be able to see this. No, it's dark as anything. I'll try and take a before walk around before I start. From what I can see, you can't see anything, so I really do apologise. This is almost a little bit pointless, but here we go, a bit of light there. Pretty sure that's travertine, I could be wrong. Nice water feature there. Anyway, right, I'm going to get set up, and hopefully I'll do another walk around and we can have a better look of how dirty it is. I'll catch up with you later. Cheers. Problem number 2. Every pressure washing guy's worst nightmare. Look at that. That's going to take forever to fill up. So when I originally quoted for this job, they did mention that they have a constant standpipe license, so they can access the standpipes in the grounds. So I'm trying to get hold of the guy I'm dealing with, my point of contact, and hopefully we'll be able to get connected to a hydrant, because otherwise I ain't getting this done. Anyway, I'll keep you informed. Right, disaster averted. We have a standpipe key. Okay, so this was supplied by the hospital, nothing to do with me. I didn't have to apply for the license. As I understand it, they have a permanent license to connect to it, so happy days. So obviously this creates a bit of a trip hazard, which is a bit of a nightmare. So I put some cones out covering the pipe. Over here, it's got to go across the road, and then look there. So work in progress signs, trip hazard. I've just ordered some cones actually that said trip hazard, because these are useless, they fall over in the wind. But there you go, standpipe connected. Lovely, let's crack on.